Today is a day. It's Wednesday. It's also 8/20/2025. This day will live in infamy. You know why, Youssef? Thank you for joining us at our table at lunch, because to the left of you is Mr. Parker Horton. I hired him because he holds an iPad very well. But Parker, I'm doing this for you. And Youssef, you are here at this lunch because you provide a service. You're an excellent computer engineer. I met you at Chipotle and you made an excellent salad. Thank you very much. Well, you did what you did with your smile, which brought me to talk to you, sir. So thank you. And now you're sitting at the table, and I hope you enjoy yourself at Orchard City Cafe in Campbell, California. Now, this is all work. It is Mr. Parker Horton's first day at OWN Surgical, OWN Media, OWN Capital, and Evolution of OWN, EVO OWN. We expect a lot out of you, Mr. Horton, and we have some very major news of the team. It has grown significantly, and we're very excited. We will be the best spine team on the planet, and where it starts is with training. So this is Mr. Horton's first day of training. So at lunch, we call it a working lunch. Enjoy the food, gentlemen. It's all for you. I love to feed you, just like the way my mother fed me. Now, we have a lumbar spine. We have a lumbar segment with an inner body cage. This is an ALIF cage with screws. We call this a standalone cage. The reason why it gets an indication for standalone is because it has screws. So with the FDA, you have to make sure that it runs through the right biomechanical testing. And it takes effort to get an indication for ALIF with standalone. And so not every company has that. Now, this is not an elephant implant. It is not, even though it can go in the cervical spine. This is Dr. John Etishami, CEO of Additive Implants, Implant. Now, it's a very thoughtful design. Let's take this one, shall we? Let's take this one. Look, giant lumen. Lumen is the middle. Now, it's 3D printed. There's no slots here. Now, the problem with the 3D printing is the fact you can't see the fusion in the implant. That's why surgeons go to PEEK, polyether ether ketone. PEEK, acronyms. I hate them. But going back to 3D printed implants, you have a tough time assessing fusion. And that's what spine surgery is all about. ACDF, anterior cervical discectomy fusion, another acronym. Now, we have to assess that fusion 6 months to a year because you want that to fuse because there is pain. There is 2 types of cervical pain, cervical radiculopathy or cervical myelopathy, okay? Cervical radiculopathy is when there's compression on a nerve root. It could be one-sided or it could be bilateral. Myelopathy has neurological deficits. It's crazy. It can cause all sorts of different things. Both need to be treated. And that's why spine surgery is so A, important, B, prevalent. Because we all take a licking, but we keep on ticking. Do we not? Going back to fusion, why this is a crappy implant, I won't say who it is. It's because there's no way to assess the fusions in a lateral slice of the spine. Now, this is lumbar, this is not cervical. And so you look at the sagittal plane, you look at the coronal plane. Now, you are assessing this probably through a simple x-ray. People don't do CTs on their patients unless they're scared about a non-union. I don't know. I don't know it. I'm not a surgeon. I need to know my products. I need to know the products that I put out there to my community, help my community. This is San Jose, Silicon Valley. So thank you very much. This was a segment on why it's important, because Parker Horton will know how important it will be, and he will be the best. He's a UCLA grad. He's 23. He's from Salinas, California, and we are honored to have him on the OWN team. So Parker holding that iPad. I hope you solemnly swear to put the patient first, to be the best you can for your surgeon customer, to care about your community. And that's why I didn't have to look at your resume. I just had to speak to you. And that's why I want to know your stories. So thank you for accepting the job. We have so much more work to do. It's God's work. So thank you very much. Let's eat.